Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how to make okra fry. It's a very quick recipe and the taste is really good. Let's get started. For this, I've taken a cast iron pan and added 2 teaspoons of oil. When it is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dhal and fry them for a while. Add 1 chopped onion and 1 slit green chilli. Saute the onions for a few seconds. Add little bit of curry leaves, give it a mix, and then I'm going to add 250 grams of frozen okra. You can also use the same quantity of fresh okra. If you're using it fresh, wash the vegetable, pat them dry and then chop and add it to the onion. After adding the okra, give it a mix. Initially you will start to notice a jelly-like substance coming out of it, but as it keeps getting cooked, it will all go off and you will get a nice stir fry. Using a heavy bottom pan will help it from not getting burnt, and keep mixing it now and then. Make sure you keep the heat at medium, and now it's almost half done. We have to cook it for a couple of more minutes. It's been almost 75% done now. I'm going to add the spice powders. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and salt to taste. We have already added green chilli, so adjust the chilli powder quantity according to your spice level. Give it a mix and let it cook for 2 more minutes. It's been completely done now. You can turn off the heat. That's all. Such a super easy and very quick to make okra stir fry is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.